A very good morning, students. Today's our topic in Olympic movement is development of values through Olympic movement. Through Olympics, we develop certain values like friendship. Friendship develop between the players as well as different nations. When they come in contact with each other, definitely friendship has to be developed. See our international players; they are having international other players as a friend, and nations also develop friendship for better infrastructure and all. We send our players to different other nations for coaching and all. Even Afghanistan cricket team, they are always practicing in India. Same way our shooters Bindra and all, they used to practice outside our country. Next one is solidarity. Through Olympic movement, we develop solidarity or feeling of brotherhoodness and unity among different nations as well as between the teams. Next, third Olympic value is fair play. Fair play in Olympic, it is set by the rules and regulation every game, and qualified umpires and referees are there. They are abide by the rules and regulation. On basis of they give right decision. There should not be a biased judgment, and actual winner is decided. And last but not the least, that is free from discrimination. See, in olden days or ancient Olympic games, this discrimination was there on the basis of caste, race, religion. But this kind of this motto, Coubertin, free from discrimination, he has followed. Even savages people or those who were not from Hellenic race, they were not allowed to participate. Even women were not allowed to participate. But nowadays, we have ever thought, even during our inter-house tournament or when our school is participating in district tournament or state tournament, we are not selecting the players on the basis of discrimination. Those who are good players, they are being selected in the team, and while playing also, this kind of feeling never come in your mind that so and so is from lower caste, upper caste, or so and so religion. This kind of feeling will not be there in the games and sports. And this was the motto of Coubertin, that discrimination was going on in ancient games, and nowadays it is not there. Even some exceptions are taking place. It happened during 1972 Munich Olympic. Munich Olympic, that time, Israeli football team, it was shot dead completely. 11 players were shot dead by the some terrorist group. Those who were having enmity with the Israel, and some racial difference were also seen in 1936 Berlin Olympic. Berlin Olympic racial difference was seen. Ruler of Germany, Adolf Hitler, he refused to honor American African athlete Jesse Owen. He won 4 gold medals in athletics, but Hitler refused to honor this because he was a black person. So this kind of feeling, some exceptions are taking place. Even during 1980s, there were Cold War between Russia and America. So America did not participate in Moscow Olympic 1980, thinking that enmity or some misunderstanding with the Russia. So he did not send their single player. So in turn, when 84 Los Angeles Olympic, it was conducted in America, so Russian team did not participate. So this kind of misconceptions are there, or some kind of exception cases are there, took place during the history of Olympics. But main motto of following those values, friendship, solidarity, fair play, and free from discrimination. 99% these values are developed by taking part in Olympic Games. Today's lecture is over here. Thank you. Have a healthy day.